So taking a look at this old geezer. What? How's it hanging, folks? Yes, your boy DCS is right back. I know you guys have been complaining, like, where have you been all this time? I was attending exams, guys. Yes, I had exams in college, so I had to study really hard to pass them all. And now I am back with the full videos, uploads every Saturday. Don't worry, it'll be coming up, guys. So talking about today's car, let's get to today's topic, the Chevy Bellair. Okay, no, not exactly. The Chevy Nomad. Yes, the 1955 Chevy Nomad. If you guys have watched the previous intro part, it'll be popping up in the screen right here. If you guys haven't checked it out, car is right here in my hand and it looks amazing. Like, this car is having a lot of details. I did see the Chevy Bell in the PAYANA Museum, and go check out the museum. The car looked very much realistic, and it wasn't the exact same wagon style. That was more like a 3-box design, like, you know, those sedans. It had the same front end though. It had a lot more details than this car, and Kinsmart really missed out on making the back boot lid open. They should have put a little more details on the hood. The hood ornament doesn't really look exactly similar, but it does look good. Yeah, it looks kind of nice at the front end compared to all the other Kinsmart cars I've reviewed. And if you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing, that red color button right there, and also press the bell icon not to miss any of my unboxing update. This Saturday every weekend, you guys can check it out at 6 p.m. so don't miss out on that. Now let's head to the unboxing. Okay, it does not have box, but you know. So taking a look at this old geezer. Oh no, my bad. Anyways, this car is a pretty cool classic, and it has a lot of details given by Kinsmart, like full of chrome at the front, chrome here, chrome there, and everywhere. Anyways, it has these cool chrome wheels, again chrome, and at the bottom, thank God we have no chrome at the bottom. Here you have the 1955 Chevy Nomad written right here. It's a 140 scale car, and if you look at the side, well, yeah, chrome treatment here, just like the Rolls Royce. You have those body lines, which does not suit this car really. And looking at the interior, well, it has chrome there too. At least the steering wheel is black, and oh, I didn't mean it that way, guys. Anyways, looking at the back of this car, you have chrome treatment again on the tail lamps. Oh, full of chrome on this car, guys. So that's the overall look of this car. So let's hear its pullback. That's pretty fast chrome right there. All right, let's go for the specs. Enough chrome. In the specs of the Chevy Nomad, yes, the top speed of this car is around 83 miles per hour. That's 134 kilometers per hour. So it is a pretty good top speed to say. That going for the acceleration time of this car is around 14.7 seconds, almost forever to reach 60 miles per hour. So that's kind of hard. The horsepower of this car is 162 horsepower. Well, going for its engine, you get the 4.3 liter small block V8 or a 3.8 liter inline 6-cylinder, which doesn't make a difference, like all that much of a difference in top speed. Well, talking about the transmission, you have a 3-speed manual, or you can get it in a 2-speed power glide automatic. And the body style, of course, you guys know it's a 2-door station wagon. So that's the overall specs of this car. This car is available in rear-wheel drive only, guys. So there you have it. That's the specs. And now let's talk about its ratings. The ratings for this car, well, I didn't think much about it, but I would like to give this car an 8 out of 10 because it does miss a lot of hood opening actually. So that's that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's the end of the video. So that's it for today, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do hit that subscribe button if you're new, and also share to all your friends and family who you want to watch this video with. I'll be getting all the unboxings every Saturday, every weekend, 6 p.m. so don't forget that. Also, if you have any kind of requests, do comment it down below. I'll be there, guys. You guys can comment whenever and wherever. Alright, guys, see you all next time. Bye bye. DCS out.
Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.